We're back with another video. Today I'm just going to be hanging out with K-Fun, or
I'm not K-Fun.
K-Fun20 is like his Musical.ly account if you guys like Musical.ly or look up Musical.ly at all. So yeah, it's going to be pretty darn fun. So yeah, we're just hanging out in his perfect room.
My first video ever. I don't know what I'm going to do.
Whoa, Callie, what are you doing? Callie is his good dog. He's pretty darn cool. He farted. But yeah, anyways, guys, we're just here just to hang out. But yeah,
Do you have any idea where I could put this?
No. No.
Well, there should be something under there. You keep on looking at it.
Okay.
For what you're about to do? I don't quite remember though.
You guys probably don't see anything. You guys see something now? And by the way, I speak British, just to be honest.
There we go.
Pretty darn good. Alright, cool. Cool beans.
And let's do that.
Okay, here we go. But yeah, we're just hanging out. It's just a normal blog.
I'm Irish and I like potatoes. Oh.
What was that?
I don't know.
Dude, what was that? What was that?
I also have
What? It's nothing but...
flashlight.
Here, let me see a flashlight.
I don't know where a flashlight is.
Wasn't it just with... Oh.
I didn't throw that.
You didn't.
No. I really didn't know where a flashlight was.
Alright, never mind. Here. If you guys probably... Whoa. Come on, turn on. Yeah, whoa. Guys, something's messing around with the flashlight. See, I'm not even pressing anything. If you guys may see, nothing is really happening. But it's like turning on, off and on. Come on. That's weird. Anyways, that is so...
He's not even pressing the
Whoa!
button.
What is that?
Where?
Those boxes! Those dropped! Dude, we should get out of here now. Let's just move. Come on, let's go.
Wait, I'm gonna turn this up.
You are? Dude, that is crazy. Okay, we've heard noises and all that stuff. I mean, that is just
In
crazy.
the last video, we kept on hearing these weird, like, groaning noises, too.
Guys, okay, let's get out of here now. Come on, come on.
Kelly, come on.
Oh, come on. I don't know what's going on, guys, but there's something weird down there. Guys, this is no joke. I would not be up here. This room is like the best, too. Yo, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, he's going down there to look for something. I'm going to stay up here. Okay. Dude, that was freaky. He's going to let the dog out. Oh my gosh.
Kelly,
Oh. I'm very scared, guys, and stressed out. Let's end this video now. See you guys. 3, 2, 1. Enjoy and please subscribe. Please, guys. Dude, what the heck is that? Is there anything in there?
No.
Is there anything in there? Whoa.
That just fell out. Dude, this keeps on opening.
Alright, guys, we're going to end the video. Sorry. Whoa, the dishwasher opened. What the heck? Alright, guys, sorry, but we got to end this right now. I'm sorry. But we'll be next video. Maybe with more stuff. I'm sorry, guys, but goodbye. Just kidding. Guys, I'm really scared.